Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you if you are looking to integrate DocuSign with Salesforce. This video is specifically for you guys. So for this integration you need to head over to Salesforce instead of DocuSign, and here you can easily integrate these. By the way, if you are looking to unlock all premium features on DocuSign, you can head over to the link in the description below of this video and unlock all premium features completely for free for the entire month. Now you can see on Salesforce you do have this option to integrate your DocuSign with this. So to do this process, you need to click on Try Salesforce and create your account. In there you do get integrations to easily combine both of these platforms, but make sure that you have account on both of the platform, on Salesforce and DocuSign. So this is how it looks. And yeah, I hope this video was informative. If you want to learn more about in-depth, you can let me know in the comments below and I will make a full guide on how you can basically use both of these softwares together. This was just a quick demonstration on basically getting through the idea. I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video.